Your car doesn't care about 5,000 kilometers, but your wallet does. Because the truth is, some cars can go way longer, and some shouldn't. That 5,000 kilometer rule came from older engines and older oil. Modern synthetic oil lasts longer and handles heat way better. In fact, many cars today are designed for 10,000, sometimes even 15,000 kilometer oil changes. But here's the trap. Your driving habits can destroy oil faster. Short trips, heavy towing, dusty roads, that's called severe driving. So the real rule? Follow your owner's manual, not your friend's opinion. Even better, use the oil life monitor if your car has one. Because no, 5,000 kilometers isn't magic. The right interval is the one your engine was built for.